How to delete photos from Instagram chat media. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily delete photos from your Instagram's chat media. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Instagram app. Make sure that you are logged into your account. And then you want to find the message icon at the top right corner of your screen, or just basically swipe left on your screen to access your messages. Now, once you're on your inbox, tap on the chat where you want to delete your media. And then once that is done, you need to find your chat media that you want to delete. If you can't find it here, just tap on the profile icon at the top, and then you can find all of the shared media over here. So from your shared media, you can just tap on any one of them. So let's say if I want to delete this one, as you can see, I don't have an option to directly delete it from here. And it's going to show you who has sent it on the chat. Like I've sent this on the chat, but I don't have an option to delete it from here. So what I'm going to do is I can either download it from here, or if you want to completely delete it, you want to just scroll to that message right up top, long press on it, and then tap on unsend, and you're good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And turn on the bell icon if you want to get notified about our latest uploads. I'll see you guys in the next video.